The traditional bazaar, also known as Timche Haj Akbar, is a place that astonishes every visitor. This bazaar, inspired by the traditional marketplaces of Iranian cities, is adorned with a variety of artistic decorations. The ceilings in different sections of the bazaar are each modeled after iconic examples of Iranian architecture. The patterns and designs on the ceilings and walls, derived from ancient and deeply rooted Iranian motifs, are all handcrafted by young artisans. One of the most striking decorative elements of the traditional bazaar is the extensive use of woodwork. The doors of the shops are made of wood combined with unique stained glass designs, recreating the beauty of historical orsi, traditional Iranian stained glass windows. The structure of the bazaar resembles old Iranian markets, consisting of two main and secondary passageways intersecting perpendicularly, with their meeting point known as the Chaharsu. Additionally, two stone water basins, Sangab, one located in the Chaharsu and the other at the northern entrance, reflect elements of traditional Iranian architecture. The Hall of Mirrors and the Sharbatkhaneh, traditional refreshment room, are two separate spaces within the traditional bazaar, each of which will be discussed in separate articles. The shops inside the bazaar are designed to match its traditional atmosphere. These include the fine carpet gallery and store, the antique objects hall, the handicrafts gallery and store, and several other shops, all connected in some way to exquisite and aspects of Iranian lifestyle. Timche Haj Akbar is located on the west side of level G2, between Bagh-e-Didar, Garden of Reunion, and the Jundi Shapur Library. For many years, mirror work, ayinakari, has been recognized as an important art form in Iranian and Islamic architecture. Tiny pieces of mirror are arranged in highly artistic and symmetrical patterns, creating a unique and breathtaking beauty. Interestingly, the arrangement of the mirrors is such that you rarely see a complete reflection of yourself on the mirror-decorated walls. Many religious sites, palaces, and ceremonial buildings in Iran are adorned with this art. Yet the presence of a hall of mirrors at the heart of the traditional bazaar of Iran Mall is a magnificent surprise. At the westernmost end of the bazaar's secondary passageway, two traditional orsi, stained glass wooden doors, lead you into one of the most beautiful and elegant spaces within this vast complex. Before you lies the Hall of Mirrors, whose walls and ceiling are made up of millions of tiny and large mirror pieces, radiant in all their beauty and intricacy. The reflection of the hand-woven carpet, with its vibrant colors, dances across the mirrors, multiplying its brilliance. This exquisite hall, in addition to being designed for visitors and shoppers to admire, is also suitable for welcoming distinguished guests and hosting high-level meetings. The Diamond Hall, visible from all floors, is a structure designed to resemble a diamond from the outside and is considered a major engineering achievement. Because of its central and iconic presence, many prominent brands and key attractions of the mall have been placed around this area. Among them is the Diamond Food Court, located on level G1 next to the hall, as well as several of the mall's most important brands across various sectors. The Iran Mall ice rink is also situated adjacent to the Diamond Hall. This focal point is located in the northeastern section of the mall and connects level G1 to the mall's northern outdoor plaza,